My name is Brian Martin, the Director of Auto Collision for Lexus of Pembroke Pines and Lexus of North Miami. Before we got the CarCaddy Car Puller to move our vehicles that were not drivable, we'd have to get a tow truck to come move the vehicle inside, or we would have to attach a forklift to the vehicle. The CarCaddy Car Puller allowed us to eliminate the expense of tow companies. It also allowed us the ability to move the cars when we were ready, not having to wait on any third party or any big machine that wouldn't fit in tight spaces. After doing an extensive web search, we were able to come up with DJ products, and specifically the CarCaddy Car Puller. The best part about the CarCaddy Car Puller was it was considerably a lot less expensive than the competing brands and models that were similar. Once we received the CarCaddy Car Puller, it worked as advertised. Very simple, very easy to use, and a well-built product that allow us to achieve our goals. I would highly recommend the DJ products, CarCaddy Car Puller, to other repair facilities that have cars that are hard to move in tight spaces. Certainly helps with efficiency and profitability.